Dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about similarity of triangles. What can you say about the similarity of two triangles? You may recall that triangle is also a polygon. Polygon means in earlier class we have discussed about that. Polygon which is nothing but a region bounded by two or more line segments. So we can state that same conditions for the similarity of two triangles, that is two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, and second one is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Dear students, here has given two triangles. See, if corresponding angles, what are those? Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. Those are corresponding angles. And second one is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Corresponding ratio. Corresponding ratio or proportion. See, what are the corresponding sides? AB and DE. AB divided by DE, which is equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are, which is equal to 5. And BC divided by EF is equal to 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are, which is equal to 5. Next, AC divided by DF, which is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are, which is equal to 5. See, each and every side having the same ratio or proportion. Note that if their corresponding angles of two triangles, this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, okay, two triangles are equal, then they are known as equiangular triangles. Then they are known as equiangular triangles. A famous Greek mathematician Thales gave an important truth relating to two equiangular triangles, which is as follows. He is an mathematician, Thales. A famous Greek mathematician Thales gave an important truth relating to two equiangular triangles, which is as follows. Dear students, the ratio of any two corresponding sides. What are the corresponding sides? AB and DE, BC and EF, AC and DF. Is it? See, the ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles. Angles must be equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Two equiangular triangles is always the same. It is believed that he had used a result called basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT. Even basic proportionality theorem, it is also known as Thales theorem for the same. Dear students, now let us discuss about basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT or Thales theorem. Statement we have: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Look at this figure. Okay, proof. we are given a triangle, that is ABC, in which a line DE is parallel to side BC, intersect the other two sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. Look at this figure. We are given a triangle. We are given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to side BC intersects other two sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. See figure. We need to prove that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. We need to prove that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Let us join BE and CD and then draw EN perpendicular AD and DM perpendicular AE. I will write here. Let us join BE and CD and then draw DM perpendicular AC, DM perpendicular AC. Just I told DM is perpendicular AE. This is also will come. Okay, and even EN is also perpendicular to AD. Even EN is also perpendicular to AB. DM is perpendicular AC and EN is perpendicular AB. EN is perpendicular AB. Dear students, now we have formula area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We have to use that formula. Okay. Now area of triangle. Now area of triangle ADE. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height, which is equal to half into, which is the base? AD is the base. See here, AB is base, AD is also base. Got it? Okay. EN is also perpendicular AB, EN is also perpendicular AD, EN is also perpendicular DB. Because this perpendicular line which lies on the same base. half into base is AD into height is En is height. See, recall that area of a triangle which can be noted as area of ADE. Area of triangle ADE is denoted as area of ADE. So, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into AD into En. Okay, sorry, this one can be write as area of ADE. Okay. Similarly, area of triangle BDE. See, in area of triangle BDE, DB is the base, En is height. Okay, En is having the same height for DB. Area of triangle BDE is equal to half into, for this base is DB, into height is for same. Okay, En, height is same, En. Okay, this one can be write as area of BDE. Okay. See again, area of triangle AED and CED. Okay, area of AED is equal to half into, for AED, A is the base into height. Which is the height? DM perpendicular AE, DM is also perpendicular EC, DM is also perpendicular AC. Okay, half into base into height is DM, and area of CED is equal to half into base is EC into height is same, DM is perpendicular EC. Dear students, now therefore area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE, with that area of triangle AED divided by area of triangle CED, we have area, therefore area of ADE divided by area of BDE. Put those values. Okay, area of ADE is equal to half into base is AD, half into base into height is En, divided by half into base is DB into height is same, En. Okay, half will get cancelled. Okay, En divided by En will be get cancelled. Okay. Remaining is AD by dB. AD by dB. Take it as equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. Area of AD divided by area of BDE. Okay. And area of AED and divided by area of CED. Area of AED divided by area of CED is equal to half into, okay, area of AED divided by area of CED. Okay, AE base is AE into base into height is dm divided by half into base is EC into height is same, that is dm. Half will get cancelled, dm also will get cancelled. Remaining is AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. Equation 2. Area of AD divided by area of CD. Okay. Equation 2. Dear students, note that triangle BDE and CED are on the same base DE, and between the same parallels DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so area of triangle BDE which is equal to area of triangle CED. Note that triangle BDE and CED are on the same base DE, and between the same parallels, and between the same parallels. What are the parallels? BC is parallel to DE or DE is parallel to BC. Between the same parallels, that is BC and DE. So area of BDE is equal to area of CED. Equation 3. Okay. Therefore, from equations 1, 2, 3, we have, dear students, now from equation 1, 2, 3, therefore equations 1, 2 and 3, we have area of ADE divided by area of BDE. Area of ADE divided by area of BDE is equal to equation 2, area of AED divided by area of CED. Area of AED divided by area of CED. Okay, put the equations AD by BD and AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to For this area of AED, see area of AED divided by area of BDE. Is it right? Because note that triangle BDE, area of BDE is equal to area of CAD. That is equation 3. Is it? Okay. Therefore, AD divided by DB is equal to, for this also we can write AE divided by AC. AE divided by AC. Hence proof. Hence proof. Dear students, Thales theorem is very important. They will ask in examination for 3 marks or 4 marks. This question is compulsory, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, or they will use statement. Okay, if they will ask Thales theorem or BPT, only write this statement, for statement having 2 marks. Okay, dear students, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel to get all notifications.